What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here. And in this video today, we're actually going to get right into the video because I have a lot to cover and I don't want to waste your time. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing a Funnel Franchise 3.0 review. Now, Funnel Franchise, if you're not familiar with it, it is an affiliate marketing platform that you can actually learn. You can actually learn for free a whole lot of aspects about affiliate marketing. You can actually build your list for free and get a ton of training for free. And I'm going to be going into the actual members area and actually showing you guys everything that you get for free, as well as you can actually use the Funnel Franchise platform to actually generate a lot of income. And I'm going to be showing you guys that opportunity as well. So let's just jump right into the video, guys. So right now I'm actually in the actual back office of the Funnel Franchise 3.0. And essentially what, again, this is an affiliate marketing platform that you're going to be able to basically build your list. You're going to be able to give away this membership for free to build your own list, as well as you can actually use this platform to learn affiliate marketing in its totality. And I'm going to go through some of the trainings. And there's an elite membership that you would have to pay for, and I'll actually go through all the benefits of that as well. So first, let's just talk about like the free membership. So it's absolutely free. There's no catches. You can actually sign up to enroll into this registration. You can actually build your list. You will need an autoresponder, but the actual funnel that you're going to be able to promote, even as a free member, will allow you to build your list, as well as, you can get the training for yourself to learn and actually build your affiliate marketing business. So I'm in here in the back office right now. And if I actually click on Training Center, so I'm just going to give you guys some of the examples of some of the training that you're going to get as a free member. So if I click over here to Traffic Training Overview, so here you have a whole course on solo ad training. Here's a list of solo ad providers that the vendor provides to you as a #1 traffic source. They give great tier 1 traffic. I've already tested one of the vendors myself and got some amazing results. There is the YouTube free traffic training. So this is if you want to do a YouTube marketing and get free organic traffic to your affiliate links. There's a course on YouTube paid ads. There's a course on Google ads, PPC, Bing ads, PPC, Facebook traffic for free, a Twitter automated traffic method. I actually just went through this training. It was actually really good. And I'm actually going to be deploying some of these strategies on my Twitter account to get traffic to my affiliate links. So it was really good. Tracking training, which is absolutely important, guys. If you're going to be marketing online, you need to be tracking your results so you know where to spend your money at and where not to spend your money at, or even where to spend your time doing free marketing efforts and where not to. And if you're not tracking it, you could be wasting a lot of time as well as money. He has an email marketing course in here. Now, this email marketing course has 14 videos, guys. So if you want to learn how to do email marketing effectively, how do you write copy? How do you land inside the email box? There's a lot of psychological plus technical things that go into email marketing. A ton of people get it wrong. And this is why this training is so extensive, so that you can actually learn all the proper things that you need to know about email marketing, all the tips and techniques to be a proper email marketer. So if you ever wanted a blog, you have everything you need to create a blog. So this is 30 videos, brand new videos from scratch. Mark Whiteley, who is the owner of the Funnel Franchise, he actually created a blog from scratch, and he walks you through every single process step by step by step. So if you need a blog, if you ever wanted to create a blog, there's nothing left out of this training. There's no stones unturned. You can actually go ahead and follow these steps and have your blog up and running. This next one is funnel creation and done for you funnels. So this is 18 videos on how to actually create a funnel, right? So if you want to be an affiliate marketer, you need to learn how to create an effective funnel. So there's 18 videos showing you how to actually do that. And then he actually gives you funnels, right? He gives you funnels that you can actually import into your funnel builder, and then you can actually use those as templates and you're off to the races. So he kind of gives you some templates, as well as he teaches you how to actually create funnels, effective funnels. And we're talking about from your squeeze pages to your lead magnets to connecting it to your sales page to, delivering bonuses. And what do you do after you deliver bonus to go ahead and increase more sales? All of this is packed within this training. And then, of course, there is some training on launch promotions. So if you notice that there's a lot of products and stuff that are launching in our space, you want to know how to actually go about, picking a product, maybe doing a review of that product and having some bonuses and putting it all together. This is what this training is about. It's 9 videos on how to actually do these promo launches for yourself so that you're not dependent upon anybody or anything. You can actually do this for yourself and actually generate sales, because this is a highly effective way in order to make sales by actually promoting launches. Because when there's launches, there's a lot of buzz and there's a lot of traffic on the internet, and all you have to do is just get your affiliate link in front of some of all of that traffic that's out there online, and then you can definitely make some sales. So that's basically like the free training that you get. Of course, like I said, you get to build your list for free. Here where it says system setup, you'll be able to build your list. You will need an autoresponder. It can connect with Aweber and GetResponse, I believe. So you would need one of those autoresponders, but you would get a squeeze page, and then you can connect your squeeze page with your autoresponder, and then you can build your list and actually give away all this training, which is like, if you're going to give away something as a lead magnet, why not give away all of this immense value? This is a ton of value and a ton of training. So let's go ahead and talk about like the elite membership. So with the elite membership, is basically it's an upgrade to the funnel franchise, and the elite memberships gives you the ability to basically earn from all the different income streams within this actual platform. So as an elite member, you can actually embed all your affiliate links, because you got to think about it. When Mark is going through all of these trainings, when he's teaching people how to create funnels, when he's teaching people how to get traffic, when he's teaching people email marketing, they're going to need autoresponders, they're going to need click trackers, they're going to need funnel builders, they're going to need graphics, they're going to need so many different things. If they're creating a blog, they're going to need hosting and domains. So there's different things that people are going to need as they're going through in their training and learning how to build their online businesses. So as an elite member, you actually get the ability to basically embed all of your links. So I go over here to the elite area, and I go ahead and click over here where it says set up your income sources. Now you can see where there's a ton of different affiliate links and programs in which I can actually set up, and I can embed my affiliate link so that when other people, when I'm giving this membership away, when I'm giving it away for free and people are trying to set up their funnels and they're doing this and they're setting up their blog and they're doing YouTube marketing, they're doing all of these different things that they may be interested in, I'm getting commissions on all of these different affiliate products. It's an amazing way to actually make multiple different commissions from numerous of people, because you can give away hundreds and thousands of these memberships. And not only are you giving away an immense amount of value, people are learning from these trainings, but you're going to be getting paid from it as well. So if I actually go over to the sales page, and I actually got early access to the funnel franchise, so the sales video isn't even completed yet, but you can see here I'm on the sales page, and there's a ton of testimonials here, and these are all very real testimonials. Guys, I can attest to it. A lot of people have made a ton of money with the previous versions of the funnel franchise, as well as me. I actually did a relaunch video a couple weeks back showing some of my income proof, my personal income proof with the previous funnel franchise version. And if you guys want to see that income proof, I'll leave that video in the description so you guys can check it out. But if I go down here, basically as an elite membership 3.0 version, they're having like a special promotion, right? So right at the moment of me recording this video, these are going to be the prices for the elite level. So there's either you can pay monthly, $27 a month, or you can pay an annual fee of $197 per year. So $27 a month or $197 per year. And these prices are subject to go up, especially the annual membership that might go up. So if you're seeing this now, this is a great time to go ahead and plug in while it's the cheapest that it will ever be. And you can see where you can say you get 25 auto income streams. There's high ticket funnels as well. I didn't mention that, but there's high ticket funnels that you get access to as well, that you can build your list and sell high ticket products. He's teamed up with some big powerhouses in the affiliate marketing space to actually give some high ticket funnels away. There's multiple funnels that you get access to. There's a ton of stuff in there. You have to go through there and just see it for yourself. There's viral traffic that you get. So essentially he's going to be taking a rotator and he has some stuff coded and prepared for the elite members so where they can get some viral traffic as well. Premium support, done for you launch campaign. So he's going to be creating campaigns himself, Mark Whiteley, ongoing. So every month he does at least 2 or 3 of these big promotions where he does the whole proper review of the video. He has the bonuses. He puts everything together, the email follow-ups, everything that you would need to launch a promotion. And he actually gives you the funnel. So you basically can just, one click, you have the campaign yourself and you can actually start promoting it. It's all done for you. So that's $27 per month. This is $197 per month. And for those that want to take the elite membership, I do have some exclusive bonuses for you guys. And I do want to go over those bonuses now. So for those that want to actually do the elite membership and actually pay and have all those income streams, like why wouldn't you for the price that he's offering this at? Why wouldn't you do that? This is a great way to build your list and make residual income and just different affiliate marketing sales while people are actually learning, right? So you're learning while you're earning while people are learning. So it's a great marriage, right? So if you're going to join the elite partner level of the funnel franchise, I did have some bonuses that I wanted to offer to you guys. So first, you're going to get access to my super affiliate hack course. Now, this is a step-by-step blueprint to show you how to make $100 per day online. Hands down, if you want to learn how to generate $100 per day online, you need to go through this affiliate hack course. Everything is in there and you'll definitely get some value from it. The next course is my easy income lifestyle course. And this course basically shows you how to make $10,000 per month or more online. So it goes through the entire funnel process. How do you actually establish a brand online? It talks about, creating a blog, having, building an audience, creating a funnel, and then selling some high ticket offers within your actual funnel, and that whole process following up with your leads to actually go ahead and generate 10K per month or more. So that's easy income lifestyle. You're going to get that absolutely free. Operation 6K is another course. This is basically a course that can teach you how to start generating a couple $100 by utilizing solo ads and solo swaps. So with solo swaps, it's actually free. You're basically just kind of swapping with other people that have similar size lists as you. And I'll show you a website that you can actually start doing that, and it's free, and you can start building your list and start generating a couple $100 with this actual method. And I call it my Operation 6K because the whole idea is to try to get it to the point where you're generating $200 per day. Next is you're going to get a done for you high converting membership funnel. So in addition to the funnel franchise and all the income you're going to be able to generate with that, you're actually going to get access to another membership funnel, my super affiliate hack funnel. You're going to be able to basically download that entire funnel, and that's a hub, and it has 30 plus income streams. So it's kind of similar to funnel franchise where I'm doing all of the training and there's income or affiliate links embedded all throughout that membership. So you can actually give that away for free, and people can go through those trainings and you can get affiliate sales as well. So you're going to get another whole membership funnel that you'll be able to download, and you can use this for yourself. Also, I'm going to add in some done for you traffic. I'm actually going to be sending you clicks to your actual affiliate link. So once you get your funnel set up with funnel franchise, I'm going to be sending you 100 clicks to your affiliate squeeze page so you can start building your list and giving you a jump start on your actual business. Now, this is just for the annual elite members. So if you're a regular elite member where you're just, paying at $27 a month, then this traffic doesn't, pertain to you. But if you get the annual membership, which is only $200, and if you do it annually, you're saving about $120 anyways, instead of paying $27 a month. So you might as well go annual for $197, and you can get clicks along with that. You're going to get all the bonuses, but you're going to get 100 clicks delivered by me to your affiliate link. Once you get your system all set up, I'll send you those clicks. It's going to be good. So then you'll also be able to leverage my bonus package. So essentially, you're going to be able to give away this same bonus package to everybody else, excluding the traffic, of course, unless that's just something you want to do for your folks. But you're going to be able to give away Super Affiliate Hack and Easy Income Lifestyle and Operation Income as a bonus package. So you can use these in addition to whatever bonus you want to do to kind of sweeten up the pot. You can use these as well as your own bonuses, but it'll just help you, move the needle with getting people to cross over to that elite membership. And then I'm going to give you my 10K swipe file. This is just basically a swipe file that you can actually use and deploy for any type of follow-up promotions that you may be doing with email marketing. All of these emails have generated me money, so I'm not giving you anything that hasn't generated me money. So all of those emails have generated money, and you're going to get the whole entire swipe file. You're also going to get some documented case studies of me just generating money, and it's kind of show you behind the scenes of what I did to actually generate that income. So those are documented case studies. So all of those bonuses for those individuals that want to take me up on the elite partner level of Funnel Franchise. Again, I'll have a link for Funnel Franchise in the description of this video. I'll probably have a link for anybody that just wants to join the free membership, but then I'll also have another link, maybe this bonus page here, so you guys can get access and see what the bonuses are, and go ahead and you can upgrade to the elite membership if you're ready to go ahead and do that. So I hope that made sense. I know it was a lot to cover. Again, there was a lot of other stuff I couldn't cover because there's so much information and value within the Funnel Franchise. I can't go through it all in one video, but go ahead and sign up. If anything, sign up for free. It's free. Go in there, start building your list, learn, go through the training center and start learning some of these different methods in terms of traffic generation and email marketing. These are things that you're just going to need regardless. So it's definitely a lot of value within here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this review for Funnel Franchise 3.0. And again, if you want to go ahead and upgrade to the elite membership, you can go ahead and do that. I'll have links in the description for everything. And you can go ahead and claim these bonuses for anybody that go ahead and purchases the elite level. If you have any questions about it, go ahead and leave that in the comment section below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.